up guys, my name is Tom, I'm with the DU Bike Shop, and today I'm going to teach you how to patch a flat tube on a bike. To patch a tube, you'll need a patch kit, some type of pen, as well as a bike pump. To begin, you'll need to take out the wheel. To do so, pop the quick release and loosen it until the wheel can slide out. Now that you got the wheel out, it's time to take out the tube. To take the tire off, push both sidewalls to one side, pull up and out. This may be difficult. To take the tube out, gently push the valve up and pull it out. Then pull out the whole tube. Now that we've got the tube out, we'll need to locate the hole. To find the hole, pump the tube up nice and big. Sometimes the hole is big, but most of the time it's small and takes some looking. If a hole is especially difficult to find, get a bucket of soapy water and dip a piece of the tube in. If it bubbles, you know you found the hole. Not all holes can be patched. If the hole is on the valve in this area and about as big as the inside of the patch, the hole cannot be patched and you'll need to buy a new tube. Once you've located the hole, it's time to patch. Take the pen and make a big X on top of the hole. That way you will not lose it again. The next step is to sand the space that the patch will go on. This gives the glue something to hold on to. If the hole is by a seam, sand it down so it is flush and the seam does not bump out on the tube. If you sanded off the X, label the tube again so you do not lose the hole when applying the glue. Take out the glue and squeeze a little bit out onto the hole. Smoothly and evenly apply the glue to the spot that the patch will go. You only need a thin coat of glue, but it needs to be big enough that the whole patch will fit on without the edges hanging off. When you finish, let the glue set for about 5 minutes. Do not touch the glue. I like to add a second patch of glue, so that you can feel when it's good to go. This one you can touch, as you will not be putting the patch on it. When the glue does not feel sticky, it's time to add the patch. Peel the back off the patch. Do not touch the bottom of the patch, that will touch the glue. Gently place the patch on the spot of glue. Push it down, especially on the edges. Leave the plastic on the patch. Pulling it off can pull up the edge, compromising the seal. Take the tire all the way off the wheel and inspect both. Check to see that there is nothing inside the tire that could pop the tube. Check to see if you have any spokes poking up. That may have been what popped the tube. If one is, you may need to take the bike to a shop. You've inspected the whole wheel and you know that it's safe. You can put the whole wheel back together. Begin by getting one of the sidewalls fully in. Get the tube and put the valve through the little hole on the wheel. When the valve is in the hole, take the whole tube and put it into the tire. Once the tube is completely in, push the second sidewall in, beginning at the valve. This will get difficult at the end. Flip the wheel and use your thumbs to push it in with more leverage. The valve should come out of the hole at a 90-degree angle. Now that we've got the hole patched and the wheel all set up, it's time to put the wheel back on the bike. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you next time.